welcome back to my channel. I am going to skip primer because I don't know, haven't been using it. But I am going to use this Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Lip Plump because my little lips need it. So for foundation, I'm taking Huda Beauty's Fox Filter Stick Foundation. I think that's what it's called. Yes, Fox Filter Skin Foundation. I am using the color 220N Custard. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm having 2 giveaways going on right now. I actually just decided to do another one right now, so now there's 2 giveaways going on. So I've teamed up with Too Faced to give one person all 3 of their holiday collections, which I'll show you in a minute. So Too Faced will actually be sending that out directly to you. That one is actually happening right now, but on my Instagram. So if you want to enter that one, head over to my Instagram right now. In the last picture that I posted, I think you just leave a comment or tag 2 friends or something like that to be entered. The concealer I'm going to be using is Tarte Shape Shape. That's actually happening right now on my Instagram, but I decided since not everybody has Instagram, I am also going to do one on here. So it's going to be from the personal sets that they sent me. I'm thinking about just giving away, I'm going to use one today. So I'm thinking about giving away one this video and maybe one in my next video, I mean, nothing's in here, it's just the box right now, but they all 3 come in like they all 3 come in a box like this with about 3 or 4 different things inside the box. So for here on this video, one winner will win a holiday set from Too Faced. All you have to do is, what do you gotta do? Leave a comment in the comments. And US only, so just leave a comment in the comment section if you want to be entered to win that. If you want to try to go for all 3, head over to my Instagram page and enter there as well. I'm going to take a little bit of the Huda Beauty Tantour bronzer. See how much I love this thing. I'm using the color Fair. Taking a little bit, and I'm going to put it on my forehead. I mainly just do my forehead, honestly. And I'm really, really sorry I have to just do it US only because the last time that I was doing the giveaways, there was an international one and it ended up costing me like, for a small package, like $25, and then they had held it forever. I don't know why, it didn't say on it, but then they returned it to me. So I was like, okay, great. What a waste. Setting that with the Laura Mercier Secret, what is this? Loose translucent powder. So the palette that I'm going to be using is, I don't know. It doesn't have a name. So it's from the Enchanted Beauty Foxy Neutrals, maybe that's what it's called, set. This is the one that I'm going to be using. This one comes with the palette, a really pretty palette, a blush, I think it has 2 colors in there, I'll use it a little bit later, and a mascara, travel size mascara. Look at this. Really, really, really pretty colors. So the first color that I'm going to use is the color, I used a little bit of Jingle Jangle, which is that color right there. Kind of just as a background transition color for me, just to give my transition color something to blend into. So I'm using a fluffy brush and just going to apply it all over there. Really happy with this palette, not a lot of fallout, good color payoff. I'm going to use the color for the transition, the color Ginger Snatched, which is my typical orangey, matte orangey type color for my transition. Adding a little bit in that crease and then just blending it into the other one. So it's going to kind of come together as all one color. which is what I want. Then I'm going to take the matte brown shade, which is called Drummer Girl. And I'm going to work that into the outer corner of my eye. So I'm putting the majority on the outer corner, and then whatever's left on my brush, I'm kind of running it into the outer corner crease. Kind of shaped in a V. And I don't want it to go too far out on the outer corner, so I'm kind of blending the edges as I go. There's two gold shimmery shades. One is more of kind of like a chunkier one. I'm going to take the color Cookie Butter first, which is more of a shimmery one. I'm going to put that on my lid, more so on the first half of my lid. And I'm really not taking that much at all. I'm not really packing my brush, kind of doing it very lightly. And then I don't want to cut crease either, so I'm kind of blending the top out just above my crease. Really, really pretty colors in this palette. The color Lady Bells, which is the chunkier glitter. And I'm literally just kind of tapping my brush once, very lightly, and going in. I'm not packing my brush. I just want a little bit of extra sparkle here and there. So I'm just tapping it on my eyelid. I don't know how this color looks if it's packed on or how well it'll stay, but I just want little specks of kind of glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with the color Drummer Girl, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line, more towards the outer corner. And we are going to take Makeup Forever's Artist Resist color pencil in Ebony, which is a dark brown, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Love Makeup Forever's eyeliner pencils. Oh shoot, I almost forgot about liner. I'm going to take the Bomb's Schwing eyeliner in black and do a wing. I'm going to take Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes. There's two sides. One's a curl in length, and one is a volume. I'm going to use a volume on the bottom just to be extra, and the curl in length on top. And then I'm going to open up the bottom one and use the volume. I actually like that it has two sides like this. Lashes, I really don't even know. I honestly think they're both the right eye, so I'm not sure which lashes they are. Oh, this has a highlight too, so I didn't know that. So it's a cheek and highlight, so I guess I'll just use those two, which makes it easy for me. For bronzer, I'm just going to use a Benefit's Hoola bronzer. This brush is also from Benefit. I haven't used it in so long. Used to be the only brush I used to use. This is Laura Mercier's translucent powder, but it is in the color, I think it's like honey. Yeah, translucent honey. But I've been wanting to use this for a while. So I'm going to put this just to clean up. Now I'm going to go in with the blush from that palette. It smells good. And then just a little bit of the highlight Just a little bit of the highlight, don't want a lot. Like hardly any. So I'm going to switch to MAC's Cherry lip liner. I used to use this all the time before, until I had a daughter who I constantly kissed. Not sure if they still have this, but I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Irreplaceable lipstick from the Minnie collection.